Okay, so now that we've created our screencast-o-matic video, we're ready to upload it to YouTube so it can be published and students can be able to access it. There are 3 steps required for us after we've recorded the video before students are able to access it. The first thing we have to do is upload it to YouTube, and we do that with the unlisted setting. Then we need to add a caption transcript, which is a text file of what is being said during the recording. And then the third thing is we're going to embed the video in an Angel page. Okay, I'd like to just briefly show you what my text transcript looks like. So if you're working off of a script, you're reading off of a script while you're recording your PowerPoint slides and giving your little lecture content, you can just use your script. But you'll see that I've eliminated any paragraph breaks. I still have punctuation, and I've tried to include all of my speaking as best as I can. I actually had to go back and copy down everything that I said because I did not work off of a script when I created the video. And then I did this in Word, and then in the format option I was able to select plain text and save it. And I have it saved on my desktop, and I'll show you right here. You can see my screencast-o-matic video and then the test video transcript. Now, I'm going to bring up my YouTube account into the window. Okay. I'm logged in. You're going to log in if you don't have an account. If you have a Gmail account, you can use your Gmail, Google user ID and password to set it up. Simply go to youtube.com and then go through the prompts to set up your YouTube account. Or the other thing I've done is just gone into my Gmail account, and up at the top there's all the options for mail and video and photos and all that, and I select the more and just go to YouTube, and that brings me right into YouTube using my Gmail account. Okay, so I'm signed in, and up in the middle is this upload button, and I just simply select that, and it'll take you right to this upload screen, and I can just drag and drop my files in. So I'm going to drag and drop this video right into the screen, and it comes right up to where I'm allowed to select whatever writing I want visible on the page. You'll see there's an indicator showing how far it's progressed in uploading. It gives you the URL where the video will be located when it's complete. I can change the title. I can add a description. I can add tags if I'd like it to be found in search queries. And I can also change the privacy setting. I actually want it to be unlisted. I find this works really well for class videos. They will not show up in search engines. And then the last thing I just want to make sure is that all changes have been saved. If it uploads very quickly, it may not have saved, and this will be blue and it'll say save. But all of my changes have been saved, and my video is uploading. Okay, it's almost done, almost done, almost done, almost done. I can add more videos if I'd like, and just keep queuing the videos to upload if I'd like, but right now I'm finished. Okay, so it's now processing. The uploading is completed. Now YouTube is doing their processing on their server end. But I can go to the video page without any problem, so select the URL. And here I am at the video page, and you'll see, yes, it is being processed, but that's okay. I can go in here and I can get the share information. So I'm going to select share, and then I'm going to select embed. And here you'll see that there's an embed code. I can change the size that I select for students to see. I think having the small size is good. And then I want to be sure, by default, this will be checked, show suggested videos when video finishes. I want to uncheck that because I only want my lecture content to be available to the students in Angel. So I'm going to copy that embed code, and then I'm going to go into my Angel, I've already created a folder for my sample video embed, and in that folder is a page where my test video embed is displaying. I'm going to go to settings, and then down in the editor, scroll on the bottom buttons, and I'm going to select this button that indicates source. That is our HTML code source. And then we're going to paste that embed code right in. Select the source again, and you'll see that it's actually displaying already. And then go down and select Save. And you'll see that the video plays right within the Angel window. I find this is a really good way to provide content for students. Okay, now we're going to go back to YouTube, and I'm going to go to the Video Manager. And you'll see all the videos that I have available to me are listed on this page. These will not be visible to anybody who does not have the exact link because this is listed as unlisted. Okay, so I'm going to select this and select this Edit Down button, and I'm going to select Captions. Now here it allows me to add captions to this video. So I'm going to select Add Captions. And I'm going to upload a transcript. And I have to select the file. Let's see. That's on my desktop. And I think it's transcript, test video transcript, TXT. So here it is. I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to select the sync button. Transcript sync in progress. Please check again in a while. And when it's finished, there will be a CC that will display right in this area down here on the lower right hand corner of the player. But in the meantime, it is being uploaded, and we can take a look at this later and see how it progresses. I can't pause and start this video because I don't have the paid version of Screencast-O-Matic. I only have the free version, and it only allows me to start and stop or restart. It doesn't allow me to pause my recording. But this is how I would do it, and it allows me to have my video. Let's see if it shows here. Oh, here's the C. Oops. Okay, see where it says CC? There's your captions. And the English captions. I'm not sure if this is the captions that I created or the captions. These are actually my captions. This is exactly what I put into this. Let's reduce that. These are actually the captions that I put in for this recording. So that just shows you how they display. They are closed captions so that the viewer can turn them off and turn them on at will. And that's all you have to do. It's actually quite simple, but there are a number of steps, and as long as you follow the directions, you'll be fine. Call me if you have any questions.